Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by identifying the two parallel sides, call them B1 and B2, and measure them precisely. Once done, find the perpendicular height h, not the slanted side, and record it in the same unit as the bases. Make sure to convert units if needed. For example, convert cm to m before calculations. Now that you have B1, B2, and h, you're ready to apply the single reliable method for trapezoid area, without guessing or decomposing shapes. You now compute the average of B1 and B2 by adding them and dividing by 2. This gives the effective base length. Next, multiply that average by the perpendicular height h to get area. For clarity, write area equals B1 plus B2 / 2 times h and substitute numbers slowly to avoid transposition errors. Once done, perform arithmetic using a calculator or careful handwork, and always carry units through the multiplication, so your answer is in square units. You finish by calculating any rounding and writing the final area with square units, for example 24. 5 cm2. Once done, perform a sanity check. The trapezoid area must lie between areas formed by the smaller and larger bases as rectangles. That helps catch mistakes. If the number still feels wrong, remeasure the perpendicular height first. Most errors come from using the slanted side or wrong units. Make sure your numbers are consistent, then present the final result confidently.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.